Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you. Student, in previous video we have learned the use of can, could, may, might and will and shall. Now in this video we will start the use of should and would. So without being delay, let's start. Use of should. Use of should. Should is used as the past form of shall in direct indirect speech. Have a look. First use indirect speech. Indirect speech means should is used as the past form of shall in indirect speech. Should is used as the past form of shall. It is used as the past form of shall in indirect speech. In indirect speech. For example, I said, comma, inverted comma, I shall go. Full stop, inverted comma, close. This is your direct speech. Now we will change this sentence in indirect speech and shall will be changed into should. So, I said that. Then I will remove the inverted commas and write down that here, and then after I, because I is subject here, so shall will be changed into should. I should go. Then you put full stop in the last of the sentence. We will learn in detail when we will start direct and indirect narration. Now we will learn the second use of should. Should is used to express advice and duty also. Have a look. It is used to express advice and duty, etc. For example, you should consult a doctor. Consult the doctor means तुम्हें डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. It express an advice. People should maintain peace. People should maintain peace. This is duty of people. It expresses duty and this sentence express advice. Now we will learn the next use of should. It is used for expressing purpose also. Have a look. Number 3, use of should. It is used to express purpose and an order. For example, she ran fast. She ran fast. Least she should miss the train. Miss the train. This sentence expresses the purpose. She ran fast, least she should miss the train. वह तेज दौड़ी ताकि वो ट्रेन ना मिस कर दे. So it expresses purpose. Purpose. Now have a look. Another example. They left early. They left early. They should have reached there by now means वो जल्दी छोड़कर चले गए थे, अब तक वो वहां पहुंच गए थे. ये क्या है? सपोजिशन मीन्स अनुमान लगाना. पोजीशन, सपोज. ओके. नाउ थर्ड, it express an order also. Visitors should register themselves at the counter. It's an order. It expresses an order, means the visitors should register themselves at the counter. It shows an order. Number 4, should is used in questions to ask someone for advice and permission. Etc. Have a look again. Should is used in question for asking someone. It is used for asking someone for advice and permission. For example, what should I do? What should I do? Here do is used with the first person for asking advice that what should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? Have a look. Second example. Should I go? Should I go? This is for permission. This sentence express permission, for seeking permission. Should I go? क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? I hope you have understand. Now we will learn the next use of should. It is used for suggestion also. Should is used to express suggestion. For example, we should trim our nails. We should trim our nails regularly. Regularly means not daily. Daily नहीं, जब ज़रूरत हो तो regularly. We should obey our elders. We should obey our elders. These sentence expression. Now we will learn the uses of would. It is the past form of will, and the first use of would is would as the past tense of will is used in indirect speech. Would as the past form of will is used in indirect speech. For example, direct speech, he said, comma, inverted comma, he will go, inverted comma, close. Then we will change this sentence in indirect speech. He said, then we will remove inverted comma and write down that he will said that he, now will be changed into would. He would go. Full stop. Now means will be changed into would in indirect speech. Have a look the second use of will. Use to express habitual activity. Activity in the past. It is used to express habitual activity in the past, जो कि हैबिट में हो, पास्ट में हैबिट में हो. For example, she would sit for hours on the bank of river. She would sit, वे बैठा करती थी for hours, घंटों on the bank of river, नदी के किनारे. Means it was a habitual activity of her. Have a look. Next example. I would go for swim in the lake. I would. Here would express the habitual activity of mine. Means I would go for swim in the lake. मैं झील में तैरने जाया करता था. I hope you have understand now. We will learn the next use of will. The next use of would is, it is used to make polite request. Number 3, would is used to make polite request. For example, would you open the window? It is used for polite request. Second, would you like to have some tea? Now the next use of would is used to express wish and preference. It is used to express wish and preference also. For example, would that I were rich. This is wish. काश मैं अमीर होता. If I is used with were, it is the impossible thing. Means ये केवल सोच होती है कि काश ये काम हो पाता. Then I will use with were. Now second one, he would rather die than beg. वे मांगने से अच्छा मर जाना पसंद करेगा. मीन्स किसको प्रीफरेंस देगा? मर जाने को. प्रीफरेंस, वह मांगने से अच्छा मरना पसंद करेगा. इट इज वुड इज यूज फॉर प्रीफरेंस ऑल्सो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट यूज ऑफ number 5, would is used to express intention. It is used to express intention also. For example, he said that he would help me. He said that he would help me. वह कह रहा था कि वह मेरी मदद करेगा. It express intention also. Here would express intention of him. Now number 5, it is used to express unreal condition or improbable. For example, if I won a lottery, I would buy a house. If I won a lottery, अगर मैं एक लॉटरी जीत जाता तो मैं क्या खरीद लेता? घर खरीद लेता. ये कोई रियल कंडीशन नहीं है कि ऐसा होगा ही. Have a look one example more. If I were rich, अगर मैं अमीर होता तो I would buy a car. अगर मैं अमीर होता तो मैं एक कार खरीद लेता. तो ये सब कंडीशन अनरियल है. मीन्स would is also used for unreal condition. I hope you have understand. Next of the model auxiliaries we will read in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.